Hey guys, I'm Steve, and welcome back to the channel where we talk about the joys of stock market investing and long-term dividend gain. If it's your first time stopping by the channel, hit that subscribe button. Trust me, you won't regret it. If you're a returning subscriber, guys, welcome back. Well, if you're into passive income and you're long-term dividend investing, you got to be excited about this week. Why? Earning week. We got a lot of things going on. We got big tech, we got big pharma, we got big oil, big auto, among others. We got a lot of stocks, over 1,000 stocks bringing in their earnings reports. It tells a lot about what the economy is doing, where the money's going sector wise, and things like that. But yeah, just looking at it, I'm excited. Just looking at it, I mean, today, not today. Today we got a few companies, not really big ones of note, being that it's Monday, and happy Monday to you guys. But tomorrow, that's when it really starts to kick off. Now, I'll give you some of these names. Tuesday, which is tomorrow, we got 3M, a company I own, Aries Capital, Archer Daniels Midland, Biogen, Kimberly Clark, and GE, among others. Then come in Wednesday, we have Apple and Boeing of note. Thursday, followed up, we got A.O. Smith, which is a company I'm definitely going to be watching. We have Amazon, Altria, which I'm a shareholder of, Intel also. We have a commercial REIT, Kimco, and we got Merck and Company, pharmaceuticals. And rounding up Friday, we got AbbVie, Chevron, a lot of big oil, Exxon, of course, Stag Industry. We got NextEra Energy and WW Granger. But yeah, guys. I mean, this week you can be building up these portfolios, taking a look at your portfolio. Now, I'm not telling anybody to go out and invest in any of these stocks, but we got a lot of stocks coming up that are boring stocks and boring companies. A lot of these are blue chip companies. So you might want to take a gander at some of these to see if they, would fit nicely in your portfolio. Of course, after doing some research on them. But it's an exciting week. Among the ones that I'm really going to be watching is A.O. Smith. For some of you who are not familiar with A.O. Smith, they deal with a lot of they deal in the home space with water treatment and water heaters. So houses can't do without water heaters. I've been interested in the position in A.O. Smith for a while. It has an attractive price right now for me, but I want to see what happens after the earnings to see if we can get a drop. Because this earnings week may be the last week before we start seeing the real impact of all these rate cuts. We might start seeing it this week because, I mean, my prediction, I just think we're going to see a mixed bag. Like today, the market is up, right? Like presently, we're sitting here, the S&P is at, all of them are green, but the S&P is at 0.71%, less than a percent. Dow is at 1.02%. NASDAQ is at 0.09%. Now, yeah, they're barely in the green, but I mean, I attribute that because all of the big earnings start really tomorrow. I attribute this to a lot of people short selling, and they're accumulating these stocks to drive it up today. And then as these earnings, come through, they'll start cutting these stocks off and forcing the market to drop, which is a common occurrence. Nothing you can do about it. Yeah, but a lot of these companies got very good dividends, guys. And it's a lot of value here if, depending on how, if you have these in your watch list, depending on how, these earnings reports come out. Now, do I think all these earnings reports are going to be good? No, because you got different sectors. Some of these are industrial, some of these are retail, some and so on and so forth. So, consumer sentiment, with spending and what they're trying to eliminate, and the situation where they're trying to push unemployment across the board, you're going to get a mixed bag. And is this anything to be discouraged about? No, because when the stock falls, the opportunities rise, especially with these big companies, that you want to have in your portfolio, the ones that stand the test of time. You hear me talk about that all the time. But it's going to be definitely an interesting week. I'm excited to see what happens starting tomorrow. And we periodically speak about it. But yeah, I just wanted to talk a little bit about that and the excitement that I have. Hopefully you guys are excited too. If you're trying to get your portfolios together and you're dealing with long-term dividend investment like myself. So we'll see how it goes. But if you could do me a favor, drop me a comment. Tell me what stocks you're watching this week and which ones you hope fall. And tell me how the portfolio is doing, man. I mean, you don't have to name specific stocks or name dollar amounts, but if you're excited, what's your take on these earnings coming up this week? What are you trying to see? Just drop me a line as I answer all my comments. I try to. And we'll take it from there. But as always, guys, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I can't say it enough. Subscriptions have been growing. You guys have been showing support. And I'll see you guys in the next video.